Arjun Tendulkar's IPL debut for Mumbai Indians had this coincidence with father Sachin's in 2009. When Mumbai Indians' Arjun Tendulkar bowled his first over in the IPL against the Kolkata Knight Riders, he met with an amazing coincidence with his father Sachin's that occurred in 2009. Hold on to your hats, cricket fans, because history was made on Sunday. Arjun Tendulkar, the son of legendary cricketer Sachin Tendulkar, made his Indian Premier League debut for the Mumbai Indians against Kolkata Knight Riders almost a decade after his father's final match for the franchise in Indian Premier League 2013. Talk about keeping it in the family. Arjun's debut was even more special because he and his dad became the first father-son duo to feature in the Indian Premier League. Now that's what we call a family tradition. And the coincidences don't stop there. When Arjun bowled his first over in the IPL against the Kolkata Knight Riders, he gave up just 5 runs. What's amazing is that Sachin also gave up 5 runs in his first over for Mumbai Indian against the same team back in 2009. It's almost like history repeating itself.